nothing to think about except fluff. So he's as touchable reality. And lives in a world of illusions.
Yo, no fall? Yeah. Honestly, I'm hoping the same, man. Let me get my streams set up. Trying to pass 2 evals on. Nice, man. Yeah, I loaded up some evals too. About to go hard on some evals today. Thing is, I haven't tried using trades yet, so I might actually just send a quick trade real quick just to test it out. Oh, very cool. Copy trader. Interesting. I think I shorted in an order block. Awesome, awesome. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, TradeBase not working on TradingView, but copy traders do work. I was just testing that out. I'm trying out TradeC. Yeah, doesn't seem too bad. Trading execution marks. Very cool, very cool. Oh, this is better. Order Dom with scalp. Oh, interesting. I don't like that. Try this. It's a little slow, the execution. Interesting. TradeBase working for you? Nice. I don't even see what this looked like. I'm just testing some stuff out right now. I probably shouldn't have been copy trading this. I wanted to see if the copy trader worked. Oh well. Awesome, well, now we know it works. Alrighty, let's get to some charting now. Interesting. I wonder if we're up for the day. Oh man, I have to redo all these. Oh, templates don't work? Oh, that's a little unlucky. Yo, am I looking for shorts? Not necessarily. We're honestly stuck between two key levels right now. So I'm looking until one of these get broken, whatever side, but it's kind of hard to. Yeah, I think it's kind of hard to think that this won't break down shorts. Has ES not taken previously low? Oh, it hasn't. Oh, interesting. This value is not calculated correctly. Lucid funded. Awesome. Okay. Get rid of that. Asia. Minutes to market open. Oh, we still have like 30 minutes to market open. We got a lot of time. Yeah, this is Trade C. I'm giving it a try today to see, honestly, if I like it or not. Honestly, I wouldn't say the hourly closed too bullish. I do like that wick, but I do think this downtrend has to be respected here. Honestly, more like this, but so this will give us room for this as well. And I'll be watching out for this key level. If we break above this again, I think we have a chance. I think we tried here. We couldn't quite get it. So I think we might try again. But this is definitely the level to look out for. What is that? So, like 24,955. like 25,000 too. That's just like a whole number. It's definitely the area of interest for me. I'm using Trade Copia as my trade copier, and right now I'm using a Lucid Eval as my master. TradeC can only integrate with Rhythmic, so I might actually try this trade. That does work. Let's put 200 on the table. Let's see if we can grind down. I don't know if we get this, but I'm not really bullish on this move here. Especially if we can't close above that base. I don't think that'd be my next target. Yeah, that sounds kind of annoying. Try to get a little pre-market trade in. See if we get any respect for market structure here. This looks really weak. They're getting some buyers in. You think it's possible to grow a small account, or I'm just gambling? It is possible to grow a small account, but you do have to risk kind of hard, right? In the beginning. So I think the chance that you blow small accounts is much higher, right? Because you have to risk more. Unless you want to grow it really slow, which is valid too. Okay. I like that. I'm expecting that push down to at least like 740 here. Cover that base as soon as possible. Nice, we just covered it, so we should see lower here. Too many points this is. 44 points, actually not bad. I grew it in one day, 150% in one day. I'm the best day trader ever. Yeah, if you can do that every day for like 20 days, you're the best day trader ever. You'd be a multi-millionaire, man. Oh, whoops. I was muted. My bad. Yeah, dude. Eigen state's insane, bro. I've been using the Quant model. Let me see if I can do a screenshot. I can't. Anyways, our Quant model actually called this short. I realized. I'm just gonna close it there, guys. Let's go. A nice little dub before the morning. Let's go. Can I explain the Quant model? Yes, I can. Give me a second here so I can actually show you guys. Might be easier. There we go. So right here, previous. So it actually just called this short. See the previous entry right here? And this was the TP. It literally hit TP exactly. This is a quant firm I've been working with. They reached out to me to kind of just test out their model. And I've been testing that for 2 weeks. There's one account that I'm trading primarily through Eigenstate, and it hasn't lost a trade yet. It's 4 for 4. I do think this has its ups and downs. I don't think it's really good during trending markets. That's because it weighs in, I think it weighs in mean reversion pretty heavily. Yeah, like 38% on mean reversion. So it's really good during chop and ranges. But during like trending markets, I don't think it works as well. Yeah, it's just, honestly, I don't really know exactly how it works. I just know it weighs in these factors here. I went to one of their tech meetings, and dude, they're just like math geniuses. So, but yeah, this is kind of what I've been working on. It is a little pricey, but I do think it's not as expensive as other quant models. I think it's because they're a startup right now, so I don't think they're trying to charge too much. If you do use code JMK, you do get 20% off your subscription. So, I mean, if you're interested in it, you know, make sure you use the codes, you get the discount. But yeah, it's like I'm using it. Right? Like I wouldn't bring you guys anything that I'm not using personally, including like all the prop firms that are flashing on the screen. I use all of them. So. How can you get an access? Let me send you the link. That's the link. If you use code JMK, you'll get 20% off your purchase. Yeah, I would test it out. I don't think it's, like I said, I wouldn't use it as a signal service. I've been using it during New York lunch hour, like the first signal it gives, and I haven't lost a trade yet. Like I've done it all on stream. So, I mean, take that as you will. I think it's great. I'm using it personally. Even like not during lunch hour, I use it as confluence. So I am taking a peek at it every now and then before I enter a trade. And if it's kind of in the same direction as me, then you know I'm really liking it. So hey Baha, what's up, man? Today's another day, man. You got this. Let's get that payout. Sorry guys, let me get to your questions. I learned a lot about funded accounts from you. That's good, man. I'm here to teach. So if you guys need anything, let me know. Good morning, Shitty Stars. Is this your funded accounts or evals? It's both. There's funded accounts and evals kind of mixed in. You're 6 for 6 today on Eigenstate. Wait, that's actually insane. Wait, India from above. What settings are you using? Let me get on that. What are your settings, bro? If you're 6 for 6. That's crazy. One of my accounts is 4 for 4. But I'm only trading one trade a day during New York lunch hour, so. Hey, I actually just got an update from the Eigenstate team. They said use a 3-minute, 5-minute adaptive for RTH. They work even better than the 15 and 30-minute intervals in this current regime. Use okay. 3 to 5 minute adaptive. I'll use the 5 adaptive. They just made some updates to it yesterday. And it says the best times for Eigenstate to work are 2 hours after market open. Okay. Yeah, it says it works the best 2 hours after market open. That's what the quants just messaged the chat, so I'll try it 2 hours after market open. Hey, do I place trades on TradingView? I'm trying out TradeC right now. So I have Rhythmic connections. Yeah, this is a Rhythmic connection, so. And yeah, it just I'm using trade copy as my trade copier, just copying across. You have consistency, you can't get more than 500 today. That's still good, man. I mean, you hit consistency, bro. Let's go. Made back yesterday's loss. Yeah, Baha, I don't know if it was your funded account, the one that you're about to get a payout for. Any account that has consistency on it, you absolutely want to set a daily loss limit on it. The moment you lose a ton on your consistency account, the account's doomed. So, yeah. Just make sure you have a daily loss limit if it's a consistency account. I thought you were on a Top Step account. Oh, are you on the Top Step consistency? Alrighty guys, let's get some likes and subs. Once we reach 150, or once we reach 100 subs and likes, let me change it. We're gonna do it at 100 today. Hello? I'm gonna edit this. What time is it? I got 5 minutes. Alright, once we get to 100 likes and 100 subs, we'll do a account giveaway. 9:25. Guys, I'm actually. I wonder if I can actually anchor these. You can't. It's unfortunate. Actually, would VWAP work here? Oh, nice. Oh no. Oh, I do have to calculate it. So strange. I am starting to like the idea for a long here. I think I might want to come down one more time. Wait till market open. Points. Oh, you're on alpha futures, zeros. Oh, nice. I think the zeros are pretty good. I like the zeros. Market opens soon. Ooh, this might be a messy open. I honestly kind of want to short this, but this might yoink. Oh, this data feed's nice. Oh boy. Dude, look at the speed of this data. That's so nice. All right. Kind of watching for long here. That was a nice touch onto the key level. Nice. I'm gonna try long here. Calculate the VWAP. It's on a little dip here. I kind of want to take this. I want to say you could take these highs. Let's aim for that. Let's go and break even. Come on, let's get past that base. Damn, I don't like that wick. Come on. I'm looking to take 3 off here right now. We got a lot of buyers in though. Let's go, guys. Another dub. Dang, dude. If these were all funded accounts, we'd be up $20,000 already today. That's actually absolutely insane. But only 5 of these are funded. The rest are evals. Alrighty. I think VWAP's good target. Man, I don't want to say that was market bottom, but honestly, that could have been market bottom. Either way, I'm not going to chase here and wait for another setup. Alrighty, this is where we gotta be careful. Is that the actual VWAP? Yeah, it's not just because of the VWAP. So we are on VWAP here, but we're also like right at a key level too. 825. Actually, we're a little bit above it. 825. We're a lot above it. Oh wow, we're just sending it right now. Kind of wish I held on to a micro now. I'm gonna try short here. Stop's a little wide. I really don't like when I stop too much. Damn, we are bullish, man. Unfortunate. Yeah, this broke, so I was trying to scalp this down to that base, but This is not a market you want to be shorting, I guess. Oh, unfortunate. I calculated that wrong. I didn't want to enter that much risk. I wanted to put around like 200 on. It was like 340, so a little unlucky. That looks so weak. It probably just pops up. Price base, base, base. I'm in long. Dude, that looks so strong. Come on, can we get to Asia high? I think we can. Come on, a few more points. Let's go, guys. Nice and easy. Do I mentor? I do, man. So let me send it to you. That's my website if you want to check it out. It has all the info there, and honestly, if you want more info on it, you can always just either send me an email. That's probably the best way. I don't DM on Discord, so send me an email, or you can just talk to me in the Discord chat. Interesting. Why are my other Lucid accounts not at 1570 right now? You see those bottom four on the list? They're all at 1,000. Was that a copy trader issue? Was that a Rhythmic issue? I don't know. Either way, that kind of sucks. It should be at consistency here. So I'm gonna actually lock out my funded accounts for the day. We're up solid on the funded accounts. Apexes are up. Oh man, I'm gonna have to like make 500 more on this account and then lose it. My email, you can find my email once you make an account on the website, and once you get into your portal, my email is at the bottom of it. So make sure, just get on make an account on the website, and yeah, you'll find my email at the very bottom of the portal. By chance, are you Korean? Yeah, I'm Korean. What a move, guys. Solid rotation through value. We're above value right now. Rotated all the way through. ES is not quite through value yet. ES is more towards value area high. So, honestly, market could be topping out a little bit here. We've got to see. I mainly want to see if we set a new high above, what is that, 25? Pretty much 25, whatever that high is, 24.984. This high, above London high. How far are we from that? What does that look like? Interesting. That'd be a highly confluent area for a short if we can get up there. Looks like we're just bouncing off key level right now. Maddie? Oh, Maddie. Yeah, you're welcome, Maddie. No problem, man. Dang. This market's moving so fast, not even giving us a opportunity in. Unfortunate. I was kind of looking to short this, but market's moving really quick. Dude, I really like this platform, Tracy. The data feed's so good. Oh, nice. You got hotkeys here too. Oh, nice. You can set it your risk settings here. It's literally Project X. That's really cool. I'm probably not gonna look to trade here anytime. Probably not anytime soon. I don't think. We just had our expansion, so this is kind of where you can get a lot of chop. So you got to be careful trading around this area. Dang. I think the only thing right now I'm not liking about TradeC is that it's really, I don't know if it's minor or not, but you just can't set templates. Even if you save it, it actually doesn't save, so that's the only thing. Okay, this short was looking nice, but dude, usually you just get so much chop around this area, so just sit out for a bit. Oh wow. Eigen State called this short. Oh, whoops, I was using the wrong one. Our AI model literally called this short. Oh, it just changed. Now it says set it break even, but it was short here. It's cool. Are we going to 25K again? Oh, I guess not with the giant red candle. Yeah. I don't know, we might reach it. But like I said, I think we're gonna chop here. I think the chance that this continues down, I think, is just as high as doing something like this. So yeah, for me, I'm sitting out of the market until we establish some sort of range or consolidation, and then I'm gonna play the breakout of it. Like, this is always where I'll lose money, is after these sort of expansions, right? Right? I try to trade like this and get stopped out. I'll try to short this and then I'll get stopped out. And it's the same idea here. We've had our expansion, right? Now we're gonna get some sort of accumulation, hopefully. I mean, this might just run back down, but like a lot of times I'll try to short this and then it'll run back up, stop me out. So like after expansion, my edge is just diminished. So I try to stay out of trades after like pretty big expansions. Like, how many points are we up already? That's already like 300 points, so you just gotta be careful. To recalculate the VWAP. How nice is that? Yeah, see, like my edge would have said short this, like come up here and hold it, but it's gonna yoink on you. I almost want to take this long, actually. Long off VWAP was looking juicy. Yeah. We broke structure too on the 15. But yeah, like I said, it's just choppy around here, so I'm just trying to just stay out. I think you do have an edge longing off VWAP, right? But I don't know. Just for me, I'm sitting out. Like I've been chopped up here way too many times, so. At this point, I'd rather... Oh wait, hold on. Let me change up my copy trader stuff because this account is at consistency. Update. Apexes are good. There we go. I guess it doesn't matter. apexes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Running. Okay. Still chilling, goofy. Yeah. Like I said, I don't think it's terrible. We're definitely getting some sort of like pressure here, right? But I don't know. Someone's gonna win. Bears or bulls. It almost looks like a bear flag, right? But a lot of times, shorts can get squeezed out here, especially because the higher time frame is looking fairly bullish. So we'll see. I'll trade this if it starts to break down, like below VWAP. Is it this level? How do I layer this? Oh. There we go. I'm gonna try selling this. Oh shoot, did I get stopped out? Oh shoot, that was so close. Oh, never mind. I get stopped out. Ah, why did I do that, man? Every single time. I told myself like 9 times too. Let's go, dude. 616. I appreciate that, man. Try my best. Those are locked out. Okay, that's fine. Dude, I really want to see this is going up. That's starting to look super nice. Kind of consolidating around this key level. Alright, tagged in. Let's put 200 on. And then, honestly, is that London high? I think that's London high, right? Yeah. Nice. Let's go. I'm gonna get more in. I really like this PA. Oh, what the heck? Dude, no way. Dude, what was that? Bro, what just happened? What? Holy. Bro, what the heck was even that? Dude, my accounts are effed, bro. What the heck? Alright, I think we're still up though. Let's try to get back in on this. It's alright. We can recover. It's all good. As long as that doesn't happen again. We had news? 1:45. What time is it? News was 15 minutes ago. PMI. Alright. My accounts are still good. It's all good. We're on evals, so I already locked out my fundeds, luckily. Bro, what is happening today, man? I mean, I guess. Let's go. Dude, what? What the heck? Let's go. I mean, we did it. Try to buy here. Right on this base though. Dude, this looks like it's not slowing down at all. You know what? I really want to join bid here, but I am gonna sit out because this is like, this is wild. Like, I think this could instantly like wick you down again. Dude, that was crazy. That was like an instant like 140 points. Dude, this was like one of my biggest areas of bearish confluence. You know what? Okay. I'm gonna enter one micro. We'll build this out. Like I would want to hold, like this is a short I would want to hold all the way down. I got extra micro in. I'm gonna actually set this break even. I flattened this. Never mind. Do I add to this? Honestly, I only need like 700. Honestly, if you guys are in this short, I'd hold. I'd probably more than likely hold this, but I realistically only need like this much to pass my eval, so That's where I'm gonna take my profits. Yo, did I miss it? TradeAway just blocked out on me. Dude, you missed something, man. This price action was wild. I lock it in at 350. Am I locking in at 350, guys? Management push now. There we go. Oh, interesting. That's an interesting issue on TradeCopia. Yeah. Yeah, the first thing I do when I get on is log on to my TradeCopia, because I don't know, it's just one of the things I want to make sure I have done right. So. Another bounce off VWAP. Dude, what? That's insane, bro. Wait, that's actually insane. Like, this wasn't even really a target of mine to really get out. Like, I would have taken off some here off VWAP, but I would have held this all the way down. I would have gotten big retrace down. Probably stopped out break even. Bull and bear making money today, yeah. Dude. Like, what the heck was this? That's wild, man. It's a crazy market. What platform is that, JB? Dude, this is TradeC. Dude, I'm absolutely loving this platform. Yeah, honestly, it might be. I might say goodbye to Top Step and just trade on this. This is nice. Like, I really like the data feed, the data speed. Like, if you trade on TradingView, like, this thing lags so bad. It's called TradeC. Let me send it to you, Jake. Yeah, but it only works with Rhythmic accounts right now. So, it only works with Rhythmic and only works with Lucid or Tradeify. Those are the only two platforms it allows. Or I think it also allows something called Lilu, but I have no idea what the hell Lilu is, so. TradeC is not a prop firm. It's a trading app. It's like Project X. Yeah, they integrated TradingView into it, kind of like Project X did, right? TradingView has a white label where you can integrate like TradingView charting, and then they just make some custom features over the base charting or TradingView chart. Stay away from Lilu scam. You know what? Fair. I don't think I want to go with a prop firm that's named Lilu anyways, so. Let's go, guys. I need like 200 more. Past my apexes, and then I need I don't know if my lucids are at consistency. It's probably pretty close. Try to make a little bit more on them just in case. Let's see if we can land a 1 micro trade. Oh shoot, that would have been it. I was about to short this. I may have gone the wrong way. Damn it. Trying to make 50 bucks. And I was liquidity. That feels bad. Alright, we'll try this one more time. I'm gonna bring my stop down soon. I hope we don't bounce off Asia high. I wanna hit this base. I think that'd be perfect. I think we can see this. Perfect. We close below Asia high. This should tap this base. We'll get some sort of reaction off this base. Let's not risk 100 on this though. Put 40 on the table. Come on. There we go. We should get a little reaction off this base now. Awesome. Lucids are at consistency. Let's go. Still need 200 for my apexes. There it is. Wow, that's a pretty deep retrace. I was fairly convinced that this push here was going to be a short that you can hold down. I really wasn't expecting this deep of a retrace. So I think if I was in this, I would have definitely gotten stopped out if I was still holding this, because I would have trailed my stop. New daily low coming? Yeah, probably. I do think new daily low is coming. I would not be long on this market. Not at all. Speaking of which, I might look for a short here. This is bearish distribution. I'm gonna enter a short here. If we're still distributing bearishly, we don't wanna really go above this whole block here. Like this whole block should be bearish. Like 60 on the table. And if we're bullish, which we might be, yeah, we cover this block. Okay. I think that trade's still fair to take. Dude, this is crazy. I'm still bearish on this, but this might go. It might do some weird stuff like this. Yeah, that's one of our setups that we take. It just didn't work today. We also take this long, usually, if the bearish distribution breaks. And it's usually super bullish. But I think with today's price action, I don't know, I'm a little hesitant. Like, I think this is high day. So I don't even want to take this long. How do I one-shot, one-kill Apex evals? Series 1 mini? No? I mean, oh, maybe. I think I used 5 to 10 micros right now, and we're up 2,800 on the Apex evals. Get me in. Get me in. I like this. $50. So I only need 250. Let me get down. Alright, I think I'd rather get stopped out of this. I'm gonna just set my TP down. Stop loss. Alright, stop down in profit. That's fine. What does the AI say? The AI is neutral. Yeah, this is not typical price action, so I think the AI probably learning, man. Yeah, it's not giving a signal right now. It says break even. So. This is some of the craziest price action I've seen. talks going on. Someone in one of my Instagram chats. Wow. Dang, dude, are we long? This is like looking stronger and stronger. $37 left on the hourly. Like, this could still be bearish, but like, because identifying these key levels, these bases, super important. Like, watch this. If you just drag this across, right? It's the same level as these bases. And if you can't claim these bases on higher time frames, you'll see reversals off these key levels. And I think this is a fairly confluent one. And the fact that we just like shot up 200 points up to it kind of tells me that this is a high day. And honestly, like maybe like high of the rest of a while. Like I would think this comes down. Let me take all this. I might even take all this. I don't know, we'll see. I've seen pushes like this before, and in my experience, it's usually not really bullish. So we will see what we get. I'd rather short this than anything. This might just be better entries into the short. How many points are we from the high? 60 points. I don't know. Maybe we come up and test this space again. I'm short. I'm going for little scalps. I'm trying to pass my apex, so I think this is a pretty highly confluent move. At least down to this base. Let's see if we can get this base, but get a little 50 bucks. Let's go. I might have choked that trade out. That's fine. I did not choke that trade out. I want to go stopped out. Alrighty, how many likes are we at? 33 likes. Let's get some more likes, guys. We literally across our accounts, including evals, we made over $30,000 today. Called out a bunch of bangers. If we get to 100 likes today, we'll do the giveaway. But you gotta make sure you're subscribed as well, so. Nice. Yeah, guys. Honestly, I'm still kind of on the same conviction. This is high day. We got something here that we're unable to break. So I think just shorting, just getting shorts and building up your short position is the move today. I'm like considering opening up my fundeds again because this could be a kind of a banger trade. Probably better to be safe than sorry, to be honest. A little bit away, 150 away from passing our apexes. Can we get 150 on the day, boys? Good morning, Levi. What's up, man? Can you help me understand it? It keeps asking me to make more money. The profit goal keeps going higher. You're at 80% consistency. Account balance. Yeah, you're on a 25K? Yeah, dude, you just gotta get your consistency down. You make too much money. Boo, both my evals effing silver, man. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Yeah, dude, I tried metals. I blew so many evals and funded accounts trying to trade metal. It's just not for me. I think price just moves too fast on metals. For me personally, so. Alrighty, unable to claim London high. I'm gonna try to get in on this. Let's see. I need 150. So can we get 150? That's all I'm asking for. Make sure the VWAP is all calculated. Honestly, looks like a fine short. We're right at the top of value area high, but I think this is going to start to eat through here soon. I hope so, at least. mercy on me. Oh my god. Dude, what the heck? Alright, I'm out. Oh man. Oh man, what the heck? I was liquidity again. It feels bad. God damn it, dude. What's wrong with me? Yeah, I mean, this was, look confluent. This looked like a valid trade. Stop was in a terrible spot, I guess. Let me try this trade one more time. I would need 300 to pass now. Let's see if I can get it. There it is. There's the breakdown. Not bad. I'm gonna get more in. Make this a little easier to pass. Put a little bit more on the table. Let's get this apex eval passed, boys. I know it wants this low. I know you want it. Let's go. Let's go, guys. And that is 5 apexes passed. Alrighty, now I gotta lose 1,300 on this account. Make sure my copy traders are off. Oh god, I can't stop making money. Let's try with 40 lots. Why is it so hard to lose money? What the heck? Damn it, lost too much. Bro, I lost too much money. I like this short. Let's go for that. God damn it, dude. Bro, why is consistency a thing, man? Ah, I feel so bad. It's so dumb. It's actually so dumb. How much do I need? I need like 200. Alright. What? I mean, it's fine. It's just one account. All the other ones hit. Yeah. So it's just this guy. Screw it. Let's go. 150 is what I need. All right. Can I get 0.75 R? Just give me 0.75 R, please. Starting to look terrible, not gonna lie. Alright, come on, Bulls. Just give me a little something here. Is it a reverse position angle? Yeah, so many wicks, bro. Decent amount of buyers in the market. I want to push up. Solid strategy, Jay. Yeah. 50-50. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, guys. That's 5 Lucid at consistency, 5 Apexes passed, 5 funded accounts at $1,500 profit. What a day. What a day. Honestly, the hardest thing today was literally losing money on this account. Actually insane, bro. Pass your top step eval. Let's go, dude. Congrats, Julio. Congrats, brother. Damn. It's so crazy to think about. If these were all funded accounts, it would have been a $30,000 day. That's just wild. Plus 300 on both funds. Let's go, iPad. Let's go. Or Baja. Called you by your Discord name. Guess up, Baja. Eigen State just called out a short here. They just called this short out. And is it at TP? 33 is its target. You blew account before 10:30. Oh, this wick? Yeah, this wick was absolutely disgusting. This upside wick was also absolutely disgusting, so. Yeah, we got stopped out of this long, but we just went back in, right? We just went back in and then it shot up like 120 points in like less than a second. Why does the algo payment not work? Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Do they have a support channel? Let me check for you. Apex website's not working? Yeah, if your payment's not working, I don't know if it could be an issue with your bank too. Maybe your bank could be blocking it. I think that's possible. Apex isn't working? Let me check. Oh, Apex is working for me. That's crazy. That actually looks like it's grinding up, guys. We'll see if this stays protected this high. Buyers are absolutely persistent here. Alright, we might get our secondary touch onto this base. Let's see what we get. I think like this would be like a valid scalp for like 20 points, setting a limit on that. I think the edge is there. Yeah. I think if I had more accounts. I didn't read the email from Apex. Let me read it now. I'm going through emails right now. Oh, that wasn't from today. I actually didn't get an email from for today. Hey Moonshine, can you tell me or like screenshot the email for me in the Discord so I can read it? I didn't receive any emails about any control system, so. We might be setting a new high. I was not expecting this. That's crazy. If I was in the short, I would have held this, so. Or I probably would have gotten stopped out. I think I would have tried to short this over and over. Gotten stopped out every time. You have no Discord? That's no problem. I'm sure I'll get the email sometime. That's a new high. Oh, that's crazy, man. Wow, wow, wow. How many points up are we on the day? 400 points up on the day, dude. That's insane. The scalp would have worked out though. Like 20 point scalp off that base. You got it, yes. I got 13 Apex program integrity. Let me search my mail. Integrity. No, I only got an email about evaluation blocking. Probably just people who are gaming the system, right? I do think that gaming the system is the best way to make money off prop firms, but I mean, they're just cracking down on it, so. It's like if you buy 20 Apex evals, you pass 5 of them. Now just say you pass like, honestly realistically, you probably pass like 8 of them, right? Just say you pass 8 of them. Out of those 8, you full port each one to build a buffer and take a payout. Right, and out of those 8, you probably take a payout out of 3, right? So you spent 2,000 on evals for 20 accounts, and you're taking a payout out of 3, right? And you take 6,000, and you can, after you build that buffer, it's easy to take payouts continuously. So you probably make like honestly like $20,000 off of 2,000. You just like 10x your money by gaming the system. I would assume that's what they're cracking down on. I'm sure traders who kind of buy more evals and don't really game the system, but are still taking payouts kind of in a similar fashion are just like collateral. So yeah, it's a lose situation for people who gaming the system. It's a lose situation for traders who I buy more evals than average, and it's a win-win for Apex. So I think as a business move, it's smart. Kind of sucks for its customer base, but I don't think it's too bad. Like, I think like if you are profitable, they could just eval ban you, right? That's kind of the thing. But I don't know. You're in Germany? Oh yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it could definitely be a regional thing too. I know back in like the CFD Forex space, there's like a group in Vietnam who are like money laundering and flipping accounts. So it's definitely an issue, and it can be region specific. Yeah. How many likes are we at, guys? Let's check. 40 likes. Let's go. We're getting up there. Make sure to like and follow, and we'll try to do the giveaway today. End of the week, guys. Let's try to get an eval to you guys before next week. What time is it? Okay. Take our eigenstate trade later. What's the date today? 20th. here. Oh, maybe up here might be good. Apex is working fine. How do you set stop loss in TP if you make a market order in TD? It's TD trade C? TD trading. Does TradeC have a built-in trade copier? I think they're working on it. It's not out yet. So I don't know. Maybe it's out. I don't know if I have to contact somebody. I have no idea. So if you want to, okay, it's something really helpful in TradingView. Hold on, give me a second. Let me show you guys. Can't show it here. If you're in your trading view, go to your settings, your chart settings, and then you're gonna see trading. And then once you click on trading, you should see something called project market order, stop loss and TP or something like that. Check that box and it'll like project like where your market order is, and you can set the stop loss and TP before you enter your position. It's really helpful for trading on TradingView. Is hedging with a stop loss allowed in Nasdaq? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Does Lucid always take this long to make accounts? Yeah, Lucid takes around like 3 to 5 minutes, I think, to activate an account. Chungo, are you on TradeC? If so, would you recommend? Yeah, I would recommend it. Dude, this is actually really nice. Yeah, I think I prefer this over Project X so far. So yes, I would recommend. Stuck at Apex payment gateway again? Oh yeah, I'm not sure, man. Alrighty, make sure you guys are liked and subscribed. Once we reach 100, we will do a giveaway. How do you trade? Just reaction off of key market levels, and if so, what market levels? Yeah, kind of. Key levels are one of my confluences. VWAP is another one of my confluences in value area. I would say those are my three main confluences I look at. But I have a few different models I trade, but that would definitely be my best one, is some sort of market structure shift off of a key level, and it starts to get accepted back in value, and it rotates through value, all the way through VWAP, all the way through value to the other side of value. Those are usually my biggest trades. Oh shoot, I was muted. Sorry. I'll say it again. Sorry, what was your question again? P was so good, but there just wasn't a retrace. It takes a toll. Yeah. So we hit key level here, right? And we broke structure. So this is one of our entries, right? Key level, structural break. You go in the direction of the break. I'm pretty sure we took this short here, and we took it down to VWAP. It slashed like Asia low. And then I think this started to look really good for a long, because I think we actually tried to short this, and then price came straight up, started breaking on the 15, and we kind of sniffed out this long. So we went long here, but we got wicked out, and it just like shot up, and I think we re-entered like up here, and then it shot up like 100 points. And then the other trade we took, we hit key level, we come back down, get in on the retests, and brought this down. And this was like, honestly, I wanted to hold this down, so I got really lucky that my consistency mark was like right here for my accounts. Because honestly, I would have, if like I was in this on my funded, I probably would have trailed my stop down here, expecting this to run. But I would have gone and stopped out like here if I was in on my funded. So, but I locked out my funded accounts earlier. I like this style of trading, but I'm not in the space for that long, so I will continue what I am doing for... Oh, you're not in the space for that long, so I'm continuing what I do now as it works, but I'll keep watching maybe. Yeah, man. Yeah, your trading is going to be very personalized to how you like to trade, to your personality. I think the main thing is you just got to be able to stick to it. Like, for example, I think if you're just naturally like really, really impatient, and just say you worked on your patience for years, but you know, just compared to like most people, you're just like less patient. You know, lower time frame trading just might be your thing. I would say like I think I'm more naturally patient, so I do think like swing trading is more appealing to me. So starting day trading like a few months ago, it was definitely a little more difficult to get accustomed to. I'm like used to holding my trades for like at least like 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours. And I think the average duration of my trades when I was trading Forex was like 12 hours, but some trades would go on for like 2 weeks, so. Nice. I mean, break-even's not bad, man. Yeah, like longevity is just what's gonna keep you in the game, so. Or like risk management. Like longevity is what's gonna make you profitable. So trade to survive, and the money will come. You're happy with the week since you didn't do anything stupid? Honestly, that's especially when you're first trading, that's a good benchmark. I think even after a lot of like years of experience, you're still gonna do stupid things, so that's good, man. It takes a lot of self-control to be able to trade, so that's good. Oh, congrats, man. No, that's really good progress. $166 pips. I love this day. Nice, dude. Still young as well. 18 to my mental biggest concern in trading. If I can control that would be good. Yeah, honestly, I think it's better if you're younger because you're a little bit more malleable, right? I think you can get in front of a lot of your potential bad habits before they even start forming. So I think it's better to start younger. Yeah, unlearning habits is the hard part. So yeah, I think a lot of trading is just, it's a lot of habit forming, right? You're breaking a lot of bad habits and a lot of natural, honestly, like there's some good habits that you will develop over time that may be like harmful to like your trading. So it's just relearning a lot of things. Alrighty. Honestly, what I'd be looking for right now is if we start getting accepted back into value, and we're literally right at it. Value area is, it's like this. If we can start doing this, maybe on this base, you can probably see this flush all the way through. Like I'm still not bullish on this market. I'm pretty surprised we took this high. But I think overall I'm still not bullish on this really coming up too high. Oh, we just swept this high. Yeah. What is that? What is this low? Yeah, this is also like value area high. So if you start getting accepted in, I think this would be pretty big short. One second, guys. Do I use volume profile? I do use volume profile, but I prefer to use the VWAP standard deviation bands. It's pretty much the same thing. Dude, I'm like wanting to reopen up my fund days for this trade. That looks so good. Like I want to short this. I'll trade this mentally. Let's see if we get it. $3,000. What I call my style of trading. I would say it's like price action trading, maybe more towards like auction market theory. Yeah, the VWAP standard deviation. So let me see if I can show you real quick. don't think you guys can see this right now. Sorry, I have to mess with my stream settings so I can show you this. There you go. So yeah. These are the deviation bands. So this is VWAP, deviation bands, which is your value area. Yeah, this trade's already looking like a banger. This is like one of our A+ setups here. Kind of wishing I took it on my fund is right now, but damn it. Are any of you guys in this trade? It's VWAP. It's just a standard VWAP indicator on TradingView. Nice. Namzi, you're in this trade? That's solid. Trade's looking amazing. I think we get a big drop here. Probably down to key level. It's 11:30. We'll do our algo trade in 30 minutes on our alpha account. Do you use EMAs as well? I kind of like to use EMAs. I like the 14 and 50 on the 5 minute, like anchored onto the 5 minute. I don't like particularly use it, but it just helps me gauge market direction a little bit. It's just extra confluence, so. Yo, happy? Good morning, man. Oh, yeah, with that said, sorry, something I just saw. Lucid's doing a 50% discount, which is pretty insane. I think it's because they said they hit 50,000 members on Discord. So, yeah, I mean, if you use code JMK, you'll get 50% off and 2 extra entries into our giveaway, which I am trying to get to. Trying so hard right now. What are we at? 52 likes? Honestly, if we get 48 more likes, we'll do the giveaway. So. Make sure to like up, guys, and follow. Trying to get a Let's go. 55 likes, 45 more to go, guys. Like the stream for me. We hit so many bangers today. Today was such a good day for us. Why did it disconnect? Bro, I bought 2 accounts and they're still pending like 30 minutes. I'm waiting. Oh dang, that's crazy. Yeah, it usually doesn't take that long. Maybe because everyone's using the code right now. Maybe their systems are a little backed up. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe open up a support ticket just in case. But I don't know. I don't see it taking too much longer. Maybe check their Discord to see if other people are having the same issue. That's probably what I would do. Hey Sky Blue, new here. What platform are you using to show all P&L and totals? TradeSyncer? No, it's called TradeCopia. Yeah, one of my friends showed me this copier, and it works so much better than TradeSyncer. The TradeSyncer has just messed up on me too many times, and TradeCopia has all the risk features on it. So yeah, I don't know. I just prefer this one. The only downside of it is that it's kind of manual. You have to like turn on and connect your accounts like every time you log in. So I do get on a little earlier to set up my trade copier, but I'd rather do that than have a broken trade copier. So alrighty, I would have gone and stopped out of this. Probably would have been break even though. Or slightly in profit there. It's bad news for bears today, I guess. It's crazy. You have a code if you use it? No, I'm not affiliated with TradeCopia. Oh, also another upside to TradeCopia is that it's cheaper and it has unlimited connections, whereas TradeSyncer like charges you per connection or something, and it's more expensive. Like TradeCopia is only like $50. I think TradeSyncer like it's $100 for 3 connections, but I literally have like 6-7 connections on right now. It's just $50. Apparently it's having some sort of bug where if you don't log in before a certain time, like it's like blocking you from logging in. I don't know, that's someone said in the chat, but I log in pretty early, so I haven't really ran into that. I'm like tempted to start up some more evals, but I think I just gotta chill. We're gonna chill and relax, see if we get anything else. I might want to take on my fundeds, and if not, we'll try to get to the giveaway and then probably end the stream. No, TradeC so far it's free. I'm just using it. They didn't make me pay for anything, so. Yeah, pretty much. Unless you want to use Project X as your main. So yeah, if you want to use TradeC, you have to use right now. You have to use Lucid or Tradeify as your master, which is not bad at all, right? Both fantastic. So, what the heck is this? Yeah, this was a very clean move up. I would have gone and stopped out break even on the short. You get a clean imbalance here. Clean imbalance showing shift in order flow. You get a bull flag, it pops up. Like, it's just clean. This would have been a good trade. Alrighty, 58 likes, 101 people watching. Dude, if everyone just liked it right now, we can do the giveaway. So make sure to like and follow, guys. And I will be right back real quick. I'm gonna take my dog out. Come on, let's go. Alright, like the stream, say hi to the stream. Hello. Alright, we'll be back. Take my phone.
All the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions.
Alrighty. $63 likes, let's go. Wanna come up, Tada? Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. Jump. Jump. Up, up. Alrighty, what do we got? What do we got going on? Oh man. Dashboard. Alrighty, so it's almost New York lunch hour. We are going to take our lunch hour AI trade. Coming up here pretty soon. Oh, sorry, Jungle. I didn't get to your questions. I didn't see you ask me. How low do I think I go? Honestly, I was expecting a lot lower than this. So yeah, I was bearish after this move up. But this is, I think it's hard to dispute that we are like building up supply, honestly, for a pop-up. How many counts do I copy trade? It was just 5 fundeds, but we copy traded 10 evals on top of that today. And we got consistency on 5 and we passed 5. So it was a fantastic day. All right, so we're gonna load up eigenstates and take the next signal. I'm a little worried it's gonna tell us to short this because, bro, it's just been long all day. But it's probably gonna tell us to short because it's gonna wait in the inversion. Yeah, like and sub for the account giveaway, guys. We don't need too many more. What are we at right now? 64 likes? Yeah, we just need 35 more likes. You really want to short this? Yeah. Five minutes. 3.5 minutes for the next AI prediction. Let's see what we get. Honestly, I think it's gonna be a short, so I'm gonna switch this up. Put a stop up here for now. TP down here for now. Let's see what it tells us. Hey JMK, I purchased Eigenstate using your code. Is there a particular setting or time frame you notice works the best? For me personally, I like the 15 minutes on the 15-minute time frame, adaptive model, and I like it during consolidation or like when the liquidity is pretty low in the market. So like Asia session, I think works pretty nicely. New York lunch hour, I think works pretty nicely. We haven't lost a trade in New York lunch hour yet, so excuse me. So yeah, that's personally how I like to use it. Some of the quant devs, they said earlier today, let me read the message. Sorry, I'm trying to find the message. Oh yeah, he said the 3-minute and 5-minute adaptive for RTH, which is just the regular charts, they work better than the 15 and 30-minute intervals in this current regime. So use 15 and 30 minutes for ETH, or if volatility is extremely low. So yeah, when there's low volatility, right? Low liquidity markets, they like the 3-minute and 5-minute, and they like the 15 and 30 for Ethereum. I think that's Ethereum. Could be wrong on that. Is that Ethereum? Yeah, it might be. That might not be Ethereum. Next prediction. Hold on. All right, so this is the last minute candle. Let's see what we get. The previous signal was short, but I want to see if it updates on the new 5-minute. Oh God. Yo, are we late to this? Looks like the previous signal was good. Alrighty, waiting for it to update. And no signal. It says set your stops to break even from the last trade, which was short. Alrighty, so I am gonna wait for the next 5-minute signal. How many fundeds do you have now? Are all those evals? I have 7 fundeds right now. The first 5 are funded accounts. The Tradeify fundeds. The rest are evals that we're working on. We just passed 5 apexes today and hit consistency on 5 lucids. So wait for the next signal here. I don't know why my Tradeify keeps on disconnecting. Interesting. Connect to demo. I want to short this, but I'm waiting for the eigenstate signal. I appreciate it, man, Charles. Minute and a half till the next prediction. Give me a second, guys. My phone's about to die. Two seconds left on the signal. All right, let's see how it updates. All right, it gave us a long signal. 25,142. Set target, stop loss, 25,023. What? 25,023. All right, this is the trade. I personally don't like this, but let's see. Yeah, let's see. Honestly, it hasn't been wrong yet. It's 4 for 4, so this is against my system and my bias, but it could work. If we are bullish, we could be testing this base. These are the bases that you would want to hold if you're bullish. Oh no, it's not looking too good. This might be Eigenstate's first L during New York lunch hour. Dang, no way, dude. Oh, that's crazy, bro. Can't win them all. Can't win them all. Alrighty, that's our one algo trade of the day. So that's 5 algo trades, 4 winners, 1 loser. So honestly, still not still like great. 80% win rate so far. Hungry for fries? That sounds good. Oh man. Eigen State's still calling along here. But we stick true. One trade a day. The first signal it gives us. I mean, it's we're at VWAP. I'm pretty sure this rotates through. Dang, good moves today, guys. Honestly, I'm like regretting not trading my funded board today. What time is it? It's still lunch hour. I'm like considering firing up some more evals. Any giveaways? Yes, if we reach 100 likes, we will do our giveaway. Let me exit this though. Go back to our trade, see. Hold on, oh God, I'm lost. All right, we're at 66 likes. If we hit 100 likes, we'll do the giveaway. We got Lucid accounts to give away. If you want Apex, we'll do 2 Apex accounts, 50Ks, and then what else do we got? Lucid, Apex, oh, and top 1 futures. Your choice between any of those 3 if you win the giveaway. I barely traded my account. I hit 125 and haven't taken a trade since. I don't know where this hesitation came from. That's coming from your recency bias. It's a psychological thing. What's his name? Mark Douglas actually talks about it a lot in his book. He has like a whole chapter dedicated to it. So yeah, that's something maybe I would read up on. In the book, he goes over the example of like a kid who got attacked by a dog, right? And because of that, he's just scared of dogs, even though the next dog is not the same dog. It's the same idea where, you know, you can get hurt by a trade, and the next trade is literally not the same trade, but you're scared of the trade because of the previous experience. So you got to keep yourself emotionally detached from trade to trade. Yeah, Eigenstate keeps flashing longs, but shorts are relentless. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It doesn't work well in trending markets, but in choppy markets like this, it works really well. Someone in one of the groups, he said he went 6 for 6 today, trading the early session. I think he probably traded this, and then like on this move up, it'll probably tell you it's short. It's heavily weighted in mean reversion, which means that it's gonna thrive when price is going, you know, back and forth along the mean, the average, right? Which is your VWAP. So when it's doing something like that, it's gonna thrive. When it's doing something like this, so just like a deep trend, it's not gonna thrive. It's called Trading in the Zone. Really, really good book. Alrighty, how many likes are we at now? At 70, 68. Alright guys, if everybody just hits the like button right now, we can do the giveaway. We can do the giveaway and I can go eat some food. Please. Let me go eat. What time is it? 12:20. I'm gonna give it till 1 o'clock. If we can't reach the 100 likes by 1, I'm probably just gonna hop off. And we'll try again for the giveaway on Monday. Today's Friday, right? Yeah, we'll try again on Monday. What chapter I bought the book? Let me check. I was actually reading the book pretty recently on my Audible. Let me see. I think chapter 5. I believe it's chapter 5. The dynamics of perception. But I would just read the whole book. It's really good. check our likes again. 73 likes. Nice. We're going up, guys. 27 more likes and we will do, excuse me, our giveaway. And I will give it 34 more minutes because I am very hungry. I'm assuming we'll hit the 100 like mark, so I'm setting up the list right now. Yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed as well. So don't miss out on the giveaway. second. Open up trade of 8. Yeah, we're close, guys. How many are we at? Let me check. 96, 4 more guys. I was gonna do the duck race, but we have too many people. So I'm just gonna do the wheel, because we can fit more on the wheel. Maybe next time it'll just be the first 100 to actually that wouldn't work either, because people have multiple entries. So I think that's the main issue. Just the multiple entries. So far, with all the extra tickets, we have 234 entries. This is including people who bought all the extra evals for the extra entries. So we're at 97 likes. All right, screw it, guys. We'll run it. Let me hold on. I gotta. Give me a second. Well, let me test the wheel. Alright, pretty sure it works. Dang, this bro's name is at liquidity sleep. Alright, can you guys see? Alrighty guys, you guys ready? Alright, we're gonna spin it. It could be an email too, so if it's your email, you'll get a message. Execution Master. Is Execution Master in the stream? Also, if you guys have purchased evals and you have like extra tickets into the raffle, we'll keep those extra raffles in until you win an account. And if you win an account, all your extra raffles will go away. I think that's kind of more fair. Alrighty. Well, congrats. Is this guy in the chat? I don't know how to contact him. We might have to spin the wheel again. Is the entry to give away a secret? What? Bro. I've been saying how to enter for the last like 5 hours. Maybe 4 hours. We're doing the giveaway every day though. We'll do the same exact giveaway on Monday. Yeah. All you gotta do is like and follow the channel. And once we reach 100 likes, we do the giveaway. But yeah, we'll do another giveaway on Monday and pretty much every day next week. So. Alrighty guys, great trading day, honestly. I'm probably gonna hop off for the day, so yeah, I will see you guys Monday and have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See ya.